All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are back here in Alvin, Texas. It's paint day. They're gonna actually be putting some color down for the first time on the Jeep Grand Wagoneer here at Apex Auto Works. So excited for that. Let me take you inside and show you what we've got done so far on the Grand Wagoneer. So as you can see, the guys have been doing a ton of body work getting this thing prepped. Door handles are off, glass that can come out has come out, all of the trim and other pieces have come out. They've even completely gutted the entire interior because we're going to be painting inside as well, which they've already done some of that prep work as well. Something that was a little more difficult than we didn't expect, we did find a little bit of rust on the inside, and a couple of the rust pieces underneath the bottom of the car that had to be replaced. So Richard and his team here at Apex had to actually go in and replace metal, weld that in place, blend it all together correctly, and then get it primed and ready to go. Let's head into the paint booth and see what's happening in here, because I know they've already started doing prep work and some paint work on the hood, which is looking good. They got the underside of the hood painted, and this is that little panel that goes on the tailgate that's already been painted, as well as the cowl and a couple of other pieces. Once they get this stuff kind of shot, they're going to roll this out, and we're going to bring the full Wagoneer in and start putting some color on the body. Now, the paint has actually been supplied to us by a company called Wanda, which is a really great paint company. We've been really happy with them, and we really like how it came out on the inside when we first did the first color tests and the first color samples on the hood and other places. So Wanda's a great paint. If you're looking for paint products for your next vehicle project, maybe give them a look, because it's a very inexpensive but very high quality paint for what it is, and Richard's really happy with it at his shop. Finally start to see some of that bluebell white going on.
Richard Tomlin, Apex Auto Works in Houston, Texas, suburb Alvin, just on the south side of Houston. We build a lot of toys. Bluebell white is very historic in the fact that it's a off-white. You say bluebell vanilla, everybody in Texas knows exactly what you're talking about. It's white, but it's got kind of a cream yellow to it, and it looks very stylish, very eclectic. We've painted a lot of cars bluebell vanilla white, And it's because of the nostalgia, especially anything 70s, 80s. It is the color white that I think you saw the most until the European influence came in with the bright white on the early Ford Escorts.